today we're going to be talking about the difference between the letter name and the letter sound. Lots of children arrive in nursery or school and they know the letter names, and they might know the alphabet song such as A, B, C, D, which is really lovely, and it shows that interest in kind of early literacy. However, when it comes to blending for their reading skills, we really need the children to know the letter sounds. So the difference between T and T is very, very important in the early years. Some children also have a really good go at the letter sound, but they extend it a little bit. For example, T is T, but they sometimes come to nursery or school and say ta, and actually that's T and together, which makes it quite tricky when we come to blend. So when you're focusing on this at home, really go into the letter sound without that extension on the end. So T or eh or These are really great skills to help us with our early blending, which will help us with our reading and writing as we move through the school. And just for some extra help, if you want to practice these with your little one at home, I'm going to go through all the alphabet sounds a couple of times just so that you can hear them really clearly. A, A. B, B. K, K. D, D. E, E. F, F. G, G. J, J, K, K, U, U, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, S, S, T, T, A, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z.